I can lay down beside you, I would.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Life with Vivian, and in case you are new here or in case you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much, I appreciate you. And so guys, before you continue with this video, kindly make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and kindly don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that when I upload you get notified. And so it's been long, but I'm finally back, and there's no sipotei tena. And so guys, I know you already know what we're going to do today, so you have already seen the title. And so let's get straight into the video. And before that guys, my mouth is swollen, but we should look good regardless. So let's start the video. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and watch this video to the end kindly. This is a simple and easy to understand makeup tutorial, and so we're first going to start with our eyebrows. We're going to brush using this brush. So we just brush going upwards like this. Guys, kindly make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can get all the details and understand everything. Yeah, so you brush like that on both sides. After brushing, we're going to line our eyebrows using Davis number 3 eye pencil, only on the lower side. So the next step, I'm going to fill in using Davis number 1 eye pencil. To slightly fill in, I'm only going to draw where I feel like there is no hairs. As you can see, I'm just slightly filling in, slightly. I'm drawing hair-like structures to the direction of where I brushed my eyebrows to the direction of the other hairs. After filling in, we are going to conceal our eyebrows using Elegal Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and you can see how our eyebrows look fluffy after filling in. Look at that. They already look cute. And so let's proceed and conceal. So with concealing, we apply the concealer on both sides of the brush, as you can see. After that, you're going to blend the concealer using a Dam Beauty blender. Just tap like that. After we're done with the eyebrows, you're going to use the same concealer that we used while concealing our eyebrows as the eyeshadow base. With the eyeshadow, we're going to use this Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette. So you can see the colors. Those are the colors. We're going to start with a darker shade on the outer side of the eye, and then a brighter shade on the inner side, or in the inner corner. going to use this eyeliner. And for the hooded eyes, you have to look straight into the mirror. So after that, guys, we're going to do our lashes, the falsies. The glue we are going to use is this Lanel hair bonding glue. We're going to proceed to doing the entire face. We're going to do the, what's it called, foundation. And before that, you have to apply primer. And since my face reacts to every single primer that I use, every primer that I've used has spoiled my face. And so I decided to say no to primers, and now I'm using this Nivea mattifying cream. Yeah, perfect and radiant Nivea mattifying cream. So this is what I use as my primer nowadays. I just apply a little amount on my face before doing before applying the foundation. Especially this area, because this is where I produce oil the most. You should concentrate your primer on the areas where you produce oil the most. Look at those eyebrows. I mean, just look at them. You can see how mattifying this cream is. And so after that, you're going to apply this foundation from Kiss Beauty. It's called Kiss Beauty Matte Waterproof Foundation. So we're going to blend the foundation using a damn beauty blender. Make sure you squeeze out the excess water. Yeah, water. That's what I say. Look at how it blends well. Make sure you don't use fresh products around the under eye and the nose, because that's where creasing mostly happens. So make sure you don't use fresh products around those areas. And don't forget your ears and the neck. Don't look like you're wearing a mask. So after the foundation, you're going to highlight the under eye using Elegal Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. The same concealer that we use in concealing the eyebrows. I'm also going to slightly highlight the nose. Slightly. That's enough for the nose and the forehead. And also this area and this one. Or you can rather highlight the dark areas on your face. And mostly it's always the under eye and the forehead and around the mouth area. We're going to blend using a damn beauty blender. Don't leave the products to dry out before blending. Make sure you blend immediately, especially if you're a beginner, so that the blending doesn't become hard for you. You can see how easily it blends when the product is fresh. This also helps lift your face. Immediately after blending the concealer, we're going to set with Sacha Matte Buttercup Setting Powder. Yes, that's how it's called. We're going to use this brush. So for today's look, we are not going to blush or bake the face. We are only going to contour the nose. Yes, using this angled brush. I don't know if you can see it. It's angled. Yes. Don't use a very dark shade while contouring the nose. Don't look like you just drew two lines. Make sure you blend so that you don't have harsh lines. I always blend using my finger. Make sure you do that until you don't have harsh lines. My light is misbehaving. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, so you can see. And so we're done with the face, and the only thing remaining is the lips. So let's get straight into doing the lips. I'm going to line my lips using this Davis number 1. Guess what I'm using for my lipstick? The eyeshadow palette, and I'm going for this color here. Just light, a little amount on the lower lip only. I wanted to match my hair, and by the way, I don't know how you rate my hair. Please rate it in the comment section, as well as the makeup. Rate the hair and the makeup. I don't know, let's start with the hair, because I personally love it. I don't know what you think. Yeah, tell me in the comment section. So after that, I have this lip cream that I really love. So this is how it looks. You just roll like that. It looks like those two lipstick that used to be 10 bob, and there used to be this one that is green, and when you apply it turns to pink. And I also love that lipstick. So we're going to apply this on top. It acts like a lip balm or lip gloss. It's just the same. It's colorless and it's somehow shiny and it's not sticky. Look at that. Just look at that. I'm tapping because I don't want it to mess with the shadow or lipstick that I applied. And so guys, this is the final look. Yeah, this is the final look. You can tell me what you think in the comment section, and tell me what you want to see on this channel, what video you want me to do for you, what tutorial, yeah, anything. Just tell me in the comment section, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you learned something. So thanks for watching to this far. Kindly like this video, comment, share to people, and share your views also in the comment section, and watch my other videos, and kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed. We'll meet again in the next video. Bye.
If I can lay down beside